Good morning, first grade. It is time for math. So today for math, you're going to go ahead and get your whiteboard out, or if you have a slipcover that we sent home, you can put a paper in it and then get your dry erase marker. All right? So we're going to work, last week we started working with adding and subtracting 10. Okay, now remember, one of these, I'm going to start using these to show you guys what I mean, but one of these is equal to 10, all right? So we started with adding and subtracting 10. So this week we're going to take it one step further, all right? And we are going to use it to subtract something like this. So the question is, find 20 plus 40. Now you're looking at this, you're thinking, oh no, Miss McCray, I don't know what I'm doing. But it's really easy. It's just like when you were adding and subtracting with these little ones, when you were doing just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's not very hard. All right, so there's a couple ways that we can find 20. Find 20 plus 40. So you could start with 2. 2 sticks is 10. So you could start with 20. And then you could add, let's bring it over here, add 4. So 20 and 40. And then when you count by tens, you've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So you could do it that way. Or you could start with 4, 40 plus, and then you could add the 2. 40 plus 20 equals 60. Okay, see that? All right, so that should make pretty good sense. All right, so let's erase that one and do a couple more. All right, how about this one? 50 plus 30. Now I'm going to give you a couple seconds to try to solve that one on your own. And then I'm going to show you, ooh, Miss McCray is dropping things, how I would solve it, okay? All right, you think you've got the answer? So we've got 50. So remember, one of my rods is 10. I'm going to try to get you guys some of these. This next week, we'll see about getting a couple of these, okay? But one of my rods is 10. So start with 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, all right? So you've got 5. And then you add 30, 10, 20, 30. So how many do we have now? Let's count these. 5, 10, 15, wait. Miss McCray, is that how we count them? No. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 50 plus 30 equals 80. Now you can also do it a different way. You can do 30 plus 50 equals 80. And it still makes the same sense. So you would have the 3 over here and the 5 over here, and you still have 80. All right. All right, let's try another one. Now, Miss McCray didn't get a anything to wipe her board down, but I would suggest you get like a tissue. All right, so let's do some subtracting. So let's go 70 minus 40. All right, so there's a couple ways you can do this one, all right? So let's start with 7. So you can do this several ways. Here's 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay? So you can take away 4. And that would give you, oh look, my mom just got me a wet rag. Wasn't that nice of her to wipe off my board? All right, you can take away 4, and then you've got 30. Or we know that 40 would be 220, so you can take that away as well, 2, 4. You still get 30, okay? So 40 minus 70 minus 40 is 30. So we're gonna do one more, and I'm gonna let you do this one, and then I'll give you the answer, all right? Let's try this. Let's do 60 minus 30 equals. You try it and we'll see. All right. Okay, so there's a couple ways you can do this. You can do it like I did with my sticks, but there's another way you can do this. 6 minus 3 is 3. 0 minus 0 is still 0, so it's 30. So there's lots of different ways you can do it, but if you do it with sticks, you can start with 6, take 3 away, and you get 10, 20, 30. All right, so I want you to practice some more. You're gonna do these problems, okay? 50 plus 50, all right? 30 plus 40, all right? 60 minus 20, and 70 minus 10. All right, and you're gonna take, I'm gonna lift this up so you can see all of them. You're going to take a picture once you have finished all of those so that I can see your work. Have a good day.